Did you know that cows have best friends? That's right. They form strong social bonds and can become stressed if separated from them. Cows are highly social animals. They establish close friendships with other cows and often spend time together, grooming and playing. When they are separated from their friends, cows can experience anxiety and stress just like we do. Researchers have found that having a best friend can even improve a cow's overall well-being and happiness. So, the next time you see cows, remember, they're not just grazing, they're nurturing friendships. Like and subscribe for more heartwarming animal facts.